It was a very special Father's Day at Valley River Center in Eugene. To celebrate, the mall held a vintage car show, complete with 23 cars, some up to 80 years old. The old Studabakers and Sunbeams brought back plenty of memories for car lovers.
You know, these cars run from, when I was in high school. I mean, I've always had old cars. Yeah, always, yeah. But it's just kind of stays with me.
Look at those machines. That's great. This is the 41st Vintage Car Show for the Emerald Valley Vintage Auto Club.